Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss trigonometry class 10. In the previous video, we have seen trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. In this session, we are going to discuss tabular form of trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. That is 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 and 90 degrees. Let us see. So here sin theta, theta value we are taking as 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. So cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, this all theta means that specific angle we need to take. Students, you have to learn this table. So how we can get easily? We can get easy way. So I am saying that in easy way how to remember the trigonometric ratios, these trigonometric values. First you should take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then next all divided by 4 you have to do. Divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, by 4 and by 4. Then next you can take under root and root. So here 0 by something value what we can get? 0 only. So 0 by something we can get 0. Root 0 value is 0. Next 1 by 4 under root 1 by 4 means here root 1 by root 4. Root 1 value is 1 by root 4 value is 2. That is 1 by 2. Next here 2 table 2 can cancel, 2 ones are 2 2s are. So root 1 numerator and denominator separate it. So root 1 value is 1 by root 2 value we don't know. So we do not have the root 2 value. As it is you can write it. Root 2 only. So here also under root 3 by 4 separate it root 3. So root 3 value as it is root 3 by root 4. Root 4 value we know that is 2. 4 ones are 4 ones are. This we are getting 1 means root 1. Root 1 value is 1. Now how we have to see here? Sin 0 is 0. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 45 1 by root 2. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Sin 90 1. Then next it is easy way to remember. So sin 0 is 0. So first we should take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 4. Then next denominators divided by 4. So then next we can take root values. So what we are getting, the values we are taking means we are getting the specific angles. So first you should take 0. Then next 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Now cos theta, cos values how we have to get. So it is very easy way. So what we got the sin values, that reverse order we should write. So reverse order means here this is 1. Then next root 3 by 2. Then next 1 by root 2. And here 1 by 2. And here we are getting 0. Reverse order we written. That is cos theta. So cos 0 is 1. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 90 is 0. Then next tan. What is tan? Already we know. Tan theta equals sin theta by cos theta. So tan theta equals sin theta. Sin theta value how much here? 0 by cos theta. Cos theta value is 1. 0 by 1. 0 by 1 value is 0 by something. 0 by something value is we are getting 0. Then next sin 30. Sin 30 means tan 30. Tan 30 means sin 30 by cos 30 means 2 get cancelled means 1 by root 3 we can get. So here denominators we are cancelling means remain, numerators only remain here 1 by root 3 we got it. Next 45 tan 45. So tan 45 means sin 45 by cos 45. Here root 2 get cancelled. 1 by 1 value is always 1. Next tan 60. Tan 60 means it is sin 60 by cos 60. Sin 60 how much here? Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. Means root 3 by 1. Root 3 by 1 value is root 3. Next last one it is tan 90. What is tan 90? Sin 90 by cos 90. Sin 90 is 1 by cos 90 is 0. Something by 0. Something by 0 means it is not defined. Means we can take infinity or not defined. This is not defined. Next cot. Cot values how we have to get? The opposite of tan. Reverse order we need to take. So tan values reverse order we should take. So what we can get here? Cot 0 equal we are getting infinity. Infinity means that is not defined. And next cot 30 equal to root 3. Then next cot 45 equal to, as it is 1 only we can get. Cot 60 equal tan 30 value we can write, this one we can write 1 by root 3. And 90 degrees, cot 90 is 0. Next one it is sec. So what is the multiplicative inverse of sec? 1 by cos. So 1 by cos theta. So 1 by cos theta means, so 1 by cos theta value is 1 by 1, that equal 1. Next sec 30. 1 by cos 30. Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. Means that the value we are getting 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Next sec 45. Sec 45 means 1 by cos 45. So 1 by cos 45. Cos 45 value is 1 by root 2. That equal root 2. Then next sec 60. Sec 60 value how much here? 1 by cos 60. Cos 60 value is 1 by 2. 1 by 1 by 2. So we are getting here 2. Next sec 90. Sec 90 value is 1 by cos 90. 1 by cos 90. Cos 1 by cos 90. Cos 90 value is 0. 1 by 0. 1 by 0 value what we can get? That is not defined or infinity. Next last one it is cosec. Cosec is the multiplicative inverse of sine. Sine and cosec. So cosec theta equal 1 by sin theta. Cosec 0. Cosec 0 means 1 by sin 0. Sin 0 value is 0. That equal 1 by something by 0. Something by 0 means it is infinity, not defined. Next cosec 30. Cosec 30 means 1 by sin 30. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2. That equal 2 we can get. Next cosec 45. Cosec 45 means 1 by sin 45. 1 by sin 45. Sin 45 value is 1 by root 2. That equal root 2 we can get. Next cosec 60. Cosec 60 value how much here? Cosec 60 value is 1 by sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Means we can get 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Next cosec 90. Cosec 90 means 1 by sin 90. Sin 90 value is 1. So 1 by 1 values we can get 1. This is the easy way to remember the table. Just you have to concentrate sin cos. Only sin. Only sin. Then next we can take the reverse order. So sin values how we have to get? First you should take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 specific angles up to 4. Then next divided by 4. All values we can divide by 4. Then next we need to take the root value. So root value we are solving means we are getting that specific angles. This is the tabular form or table form of trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. One more method also there, that is palm method, by hand method, that is, you know the fingers. This is the fingers. This is the little finger, small finger. This is the ring finger, middle finger. This is showing finger. This is thumb. This is the thumb. So this is the small finger, we can take 0 degrees. 0 degrees. This is ring finger, we can take 30. Middle finger, middle value 45. Then next showing finger, that is 60. Thumb, that is 90 degrees. So here one formula is there. Sin theta values how we have to get. Number of fingers, left side of unfolded fingers by number of unfolded fingers. See here, this is the 0 degrees. This, if we am folding this finger, means this is the 0 degrees. We are discussing 0 degrees. For example, I am folding this finger. So this finger means it is, how much it is? This is the about the 45 degrees. Now see here, 0 degrees I am discussing. 0 degrees, sine values only. Sine 0. So what is the sine 0? Number of fingers left side of the unfolded fingers. This is the hand. This is the finger I folded. So this is the left side, this is the right side. This is left, this is right. Now you can see here 0 degrees. This is the 0 degrees. So how many fingers are left side of the folded finger? Nothing. Nothing means 0. By how many unfolded fingers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. By 4. Under root you can take. So 0 by 4. 0 by 4 value is 0. Root 0 value is 0. That is 30 degrees. Okay. Then next, this is the 30 degrees. This first one is 0 degrees is completed. Now 30 degrees. So 30 degrees. So what is the formula? Sin 30 equal number of fingers left side of unfolded fingers. So left side, this is the folded finger, unfolded finger, left side of the, this is the left side, this is the right side. So left side, how many fingers are there? Only one finger. By total unfolded fingers. Total unfolded fingers how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. By 4. So root 1 by root 4. Root 1 value is 1. By root 4 value is 2. This is 30 degrees. About the 30 degrees. Next 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. So 45 degrees. Number of fingers left side of unfolded finger. Number of fingers left side of the unfolded finger. Left side, how many fingers are there? Unfolded one. Left side. So 2 fingers by total number of unfolded fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4 by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are means 1 by root 1 by 2 under root. So we are taking individually means 1 by root 2. So sin 45 value how much we got it? 1 by root 2. Then next it is 45, it is completed. Now this is 60. So this is 60. How many fingers are left side unfolded fingers? That is 3 fingers. By total how many unfolded fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4 by 4 under root. So that equal root 3 by root 4 value is 2. That is 2. This is the about 60 degrees. Now 90. This is the 90 degrees. So 90 degrees left side 90 degrees left side. How many fingers are there? 4 fingers. So this is the folded, this is the right side, this is the left side. So 4 fingers by how many unfolded fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4. So by 4. So 4 1 that equal root 1 by root 1, that value is we are getting 1. So sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 90 is 1. This is the palm way, palm, hand. This is the tabular form of trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Specific means 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. We have seen table form or tabular form of trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. In the next video, we will see exercise problems based on trigonometric ratios. Do comment in the comment box if you have any clarification on this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.